Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Plug Power. This is ticker PLUG. So recently, solar stocks, if I look at the TAN ETF, have been holding up nicely. We have this beautiful V-shaped recovery stopping right at the daily 200 period simple moving average. And so there is kind of a shift as oil prices go higher to some of these alternative fuels and alternative sources of energy. And Plug Power is one of those. So I started a small position in Plug Power recently within the sideways consolidation, and I'm looking for a move out of this kind of low handle is what I'm calling it. You can see it kind of looks like a cup and then a handle, but it's a low handle because we're still under that 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. And so what I'm looking for is a move through this level coming on higher than average volume. So I just have a tiny piece of this stock right now because I don't know what it's going to do, but I want to keep an eye on it just in case it does follow the solar sector higher. And I'm going to have an alert right around that 1937 level for a potential add buy on this move with a short-term target of the 50-day moving average. That's around that 2160 level. Now, if that happens, potential reward of 14.9%, and my risk is at the low of this short consolidative base. So I'm small here, risking about 7%, hoping to get 14%. And so that's a 2-to-1 risk reward if this trade works out. And that's what I'm looking at in this market as one of the setups that I'm telling members about over at StockMarketMentor.com. So I'm going to set an alert, and we'll see how this trade plays out. If you find this video helpful and want to learn more about actively trading in this market, click the link, take a trial, and see what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. I'll see you next time.